Hello everybody, welcome again to our channel. Today I'm going to show you how to use the date sub SQL function. This is the very useful function when you want to fetch your data based on a particular interval. Here is our good example. We need to fetch the data monthly orders from the table. As you can see here, these are some of the data that are available, which is the month of May. But here comes the problem. When we have data from multiple years, you could see that if we need to search and fetch the data of that particular month, but it has already appeared in 4, 5 years or even 2 years, but using a simple SQL function here, query, this query will fetch the data of that particular month. But if same data available in other years but same month, those data will too appear to when you fetch the data of that particular month. As you can see here, we have another data, unwanted data from last year, which is 2017. But our goal is to fetch the data of this current year and this current month. So only data that should be appear here are the data of 2018, but of this month of May. We need to ignore these other data from previous years, regardless that they also appeared in the same month of May of those particular years. So here is when date sub function is going to help us to sort that out. Here's our code. So here, when we want to fetch our data, we need to specify the date first. Depends on the column on your database, and then comes the date sub function. But inside it, we need to specify from when, which is now, at interval, we can say 1 month. Here we need to fetch this should be after the table, so it was supposed to be after the table here, which is there. So this function is going to help us to fetch the data of at the interval of 1 month. But today is 17th of this month. When we say 1 month, it means it's going to count another data of the previous. We need to specify which month we need to fetch. So here we add a month should be month. Of course, month has been defined here. So this query here, after modifying it, is going to fetch the data of this month only. As you can see, let's try to refresh our page. Okay, after refreshing our page, sorry, we didn't save the page, so we need to save the page first. And then after saving the page, let's go back. After saving the code, we get back here and trying to refresh our page. Yes, you can see here only the data that remained are the data of May, but from this year. So the benefit of using date sub function is to specify the interval that you really want to fetch. You can fetch the data from the last month, previous week, or anything of that sort. We are going to see how to fetch data using the date sub function in our next lessons. Thank you for subscribing.